We are honored to introduce the advantages and operation of the revolutionary 7-axis machine. A. Advantages. B. Installation. 1. Electricity connection. Please connect the blue neutral wire, yellow-green ground wire, and 3 live wires accordingly. Please change the connection of any 2 live wires if this phase sequence protector light is off. Please turn off the motor switch for safety while debugging. There are 7 servo drivers totally in power box. Please specially pay attention to the 2 servo drivers for blades feeding. Please change the number 5 battery every 2 years while the power is on. 2. Air source connection. Please connect the air source at right and rotate the knob to adjust the air pressure until it indicates between 0.6-0.8 MPa. 3. Coolant and lubrication. Please insert the cutting coolant here and adjust the coolant volume by this knob. Please insert the linear guide oil or hydraulic oil here and press the handle twice a week while operation. Please also insert the coolant for right cutting carriage below. 4. Vices adjustment. Please loosen this nut to adjust the vice direction as per requirements, and loosen this nut to adjust the vice height. Please make sure the vices will not touch blades while cutting. Loosen this nut to adjust the front and rear position, and lock all after adjustment. Horizontal vices. Please connect the air pipe for horizontal vices here if necessary and adjust it by this knob. 5. Movable roller stand. Please put the movable roller stand at right for short length cutting and put it in the middle for long length cutting. C. Operation. Please press English and work page after the power switch turns on. Please first press down the emergency stop button and then turn clockwise. The blades will go back origin position. 1. Compound angle cutting. First, please set the required cutting angle. We can confirm them one by one or whole by all confirm. We can also control the vices and protection guard and blades separately here. Press hold down to press. Press safety guard to protect. Press extract to raise up the blade. We can also set the cutting height conveniently here as it's servo driven. And cutting length here, for example, 1200 millimeters. Then confirm. The right carriage will move there accurately by servo system. Press all confirm to set the tilting angle and pivoting angle of both heads. We can also set the cutting quantity and clear the actual quantity. Then select the cutting heads and press start after profile loading. Now we can load profiles. Start cutting. Now we can check the 45-degree cutting effect. We can also set complicated compound cutting angle. For you, example tilting angle 45 degree and pivoting angle 22.5 degree. And cutting length 1800 millimeters and confirm. Now it's ready to load profiles. Let's check the pivoting angle 45-degree cutting. Please make sure the vices are in safe position after cutting angle adjustment each time. We can also adjust the cutting and returning speed in system. Let's check the cutting sample. We'll show you the profile width setting works for bigger than 90 degree. Now pivoting angle is 135 degree. Input 300 mm here. Press length confirm, it will stop at 2400 mm. 2. CNC automatic saw function. Press this button to start the function. Then set the product length set count. After that, please set the feeding position as per profile length and blade thickness. Press length confirm, then start button. Please make sure the tilting angle and pivoting angle of right carriage are 90 degree. Otherwise, we can't start the function. If there's product length deviation, please adjust the blade thickness. Now it's under automatic saw cutting process. We can also check the I/O monitor for function status examination or maintenance. 3. Super short and super long cutting function. Input the cutting length, it'll start the super long or super short cutting function automatically. Press start button, it'll start cutting. After first cut, it will send 2000 mm from 6000 mm to finish 8000 mm cutting. Super short cutting function. In this way, we can finish shorter or longer profile cutting by this smart system. 4. Special short profile cutting. If the super short cutting function can't meet your short cutting requirements, we also provide the special single head short cutting function. First move down the middle baffle. Then set the cutting length and confirm, it'll move automatically. 600 mm is the distance from the baffle to cutting position. If it's not accurate, please adjust the baffle factor. Thanks for watching.